Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to go ahead and see your live chat on your OBS. Make sure to leave a like and comment for the algorithm. Now, what you're going to want to go ahead and do next is hop over into the platform that you want to go ahead and use the live chat for. Go over into your channel dashboard is where it's normally going to be, whether it's Kick or anything like that, or Twitch. And then from here, I can go to my stream manager and then I'll see my chat. And then I just click on this cogwheel. And then what you're going to want to do is find the URL for your chat. So on Twitch, you're going to want to press pop out chat. And then you can go ahead and just copy it from here at the top of this. And then from there, you just want to head over into your OBS, press plus on the sources, go to browser, say okay. And then I just throw that URL onto there, and then now my live chat should be there. Now let's go ahead and send a test message just to make sure. So if we open up our OBS here and then open up this chat, hello, as you see, it appears in my OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.